Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Let me share my screen to you. Tell me if you can see it now. Sherbal, can you see it now?
I see it.
Okay, very well. Oh my gosh, it's raining again. Do you know there's a typhoon in the Philippines? A very strong typhoon. Signal number two, signal number three, signal number four, everywhere in the country. There's flood everywhere too. How about in your country? How's the weather?
Sunny.
Sunny? Wow, really?
A little bit
I
sunny.
see. Okay, so let's continue. First, we have new moon. Again, new moon. Can you tell me about new moon, Sherbel, before we go to the half moon, full moon, and half moon? Go, go, go. When we say new moon, what do we see?
When we say new moon, the side of the moon facing the earth had no sunlight falling on it. We say like this.
Okay, very well.
Uh, and two, the half moon when the moon is at this point. What point? In this orbit, we see half of its sunlit side.
Okay, so why do we see half moon? When?
Because when the moon is at this point, it's in its orbit.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we see the half of the sunlit side.
Okay, I see. It only because only half of the moon gets the sun, gets the reflection of the sun, so that's why it is only what we can see. Because remember, Sherbel, we can only see things when when it
When it's
when it's dark.
and
No.
full moon, we can see all of the sunlit side of the moon.
Wow. All the sunlit side of the moon. So meaning to say it is somehow very
It's
bright.
also the half moon too.
It's just the same, right? So
Right.
we have new moon.
And half moon when is the moon is at this point and its orbit, so we see the other side of its sunlit side. Or kidding me?
Okay. So we have half moon, new moon, and full moon. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. And what is your favorite face of the moon or the appearance of the moon? Which one? Your favorite appearance of the moon.
Favorite appearance of the moon.
Mm-hmm.
New moon, half moon, full moon, and also a half moon again.
Okay, just one. Just one. Which one do
I
you like?
like the I like the full moon. What do you like?
Full moon? Me too, but do you know when full moon comes, the fishes are very
No,
expensive.
I have two.
Again,
I have another one.
another
I
favorite?
like I like the new moon. You
Hmm.
like the new moon too?
Let me see. Let me see. New moon in reality, like in real life. How can we see? How can we see it? I mean, like this.
You like it?
Somehow, for me, oh, this
No.
is new moon. Okay. don't know. I don't like it because it makes night so dark. Like really dark because of course no reflection of the sun, so there would be not a thing that light our world. Okay, how about full moon? This one is the first one you've mentioned that you like. Am I correct? Full moon.
Yes.
I think full moon is much better to see when you are right there, like in the sea, right? Or in the on the beach like that.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. But do you know that when there is a full moon, it's so hard to catch a fish? That's why during full moon, fishes are very expensive because it's so hard to get fish during full moon. And why is that? Because
Um,
it's very, very light. And so the fish can see the fisherman, and that's why they cannot get a lot of fish. Hmm. But I still like full moon because um it's giving like a movie scene like that. How about you? Why do you choose full moon?
because
Are you a
because
wolf?
I can, no. I just want to see a wolf.
Uh-huh.
But why do you call me a wolf?
No, because I think that wolf likes also full moon because they will transform. According to the movies, wolf can transform when it's full moon.
Me too.
Do you get the same energy when it's full moon? Like, it's full moon and you're on like 100% energy.
I'm just on a new moon energy.
You're on just the new moon energy. But okay, just one. Let's get it into the bottom. What phase of the moon is your favorite? Let's choose only one. Of course, I'm gonna let you see two of a half moon. Ta-da!
Yeah, I
See?
know the half moon.
Yes, of course. Okay, okay. So, is it a full moon, half moon, or new moon? Which one is your favorite?
I like new moon
The new moon. Wow, okay. Because
because I like dark.
I see. Okay. And I changed my mind.
No, I just want to be different.
I changed my mind. Earlier I said I like full moon, but now I like half moon. Like these, especially like this, Sherbel. I really like looking at moon like this.
Not me.
Okay.
Hi, wait. Free peek? You again?
Again.
No, no, no.
Okay, speaking of the moon, so that's the last one. Moon appears to change shape. Yes, of course, it appears to change shape, but it's depending on where will the light hit the moon, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Any questions so far before we go to the next page?
No.
Okay, no questions so far, but I have a question for you. I don't know, and I don't know the reason. Why were you in the hospital last time? last time when we had a class? Why is it? What happened to you?
Because my brother is in the hospital.
I see. Okay. I thought it's you who's in the hospital. Because, yesterday I was about to go to the hospital because I'm also sick. Good thing now I'm okay, but not very well because of fever. And it's so cold. Okay. Now let's talk about the Earth. Tell me something about the Earth, Sherbal. Do you know anything about the Earth?
Yeah, the
Okay.
earth is our home.
Yes, that's one. Very good, Sherbal. Next. What else? Earth is our home.
Yes, and and the earth is far up from the sun, and it's still sunny.
Again.
No, oh, never mind. The earth,
Mm-hmm.
the the earth is uh the earth.
The first one you said
Uh,
is the Earth is our home. And that is very true. All of us lives on Earth. All human beings and all living things and non-living things are here on Earth. That's
how
right.
about Venus?
You cannot live on Uranus. There's no people who
No,
live.
I mean the objects that cannot move, like a TV.
Hmm. What about them?
I just said is TV in Uranus?
No.
I knew it. So there's nothing in Uranus.
Mm-hmm. Maybe there's something in there, but not human creation, since no person can live there. So how can human creation like a television be present in there? So maybe there's land or maybe there's water. I don't know, maybe there's
India
mm,
people. Wait, what?
okay. So, all right. The second one, give me three. Three things that you know about Earth.
Where?
Okay, first one you said that Earth is our home. Yes, okay, that's true. Two, three. Can you give me more information? Something that you know about Earth before we read about the Earth.
The Earth is is a beautiful planet.
That's true. Very true again. Number three, last one. Tell me something about our planet Earth.
The Earth has many has many beautiful countries in Thai.
The Earth has so many beautiful countries. Yes, of course. That's true. And also Earth is the only planet where we can live. Not so hot, not so cold. Because if we are in Mercury, it's so hot. We're very near the sun. But if we are in the Neptune, it's very cold because it's so far away from the sun. So the best place to live is on Earth. Not too hot, not too cold. It is where life is possible. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now let's talk about the Earth so that we know something about the Earth. Okay, what do we call? Oh, look at the picture. Can you see it?
What? Where?
The
Yeah, I
picture.
see it.
Okay. So, the movement of the Earth in space give us day and night. Hmm? The Earth rotates in its own axis. When we say rotate or orbits, it's like spin, spin, spin. Okay, let's read number one.
Number one, the Earth is pretty much a spherical round, and its axis is an imaginary friend. Imaginary line drawn through the center of the Earth from the North Pole to the Southern Pole, and two, the earthquake takes 24 hours to complete the ruins, and to the South Pole. And three,
I don't understand your number two. I think you read it wrong.
oh no, I say 24 hours to complete the rotated spin on its axis for 20 hours equals to 1 day. So, and
24,
that,
not 20 hours, 24 hours.
yes, I do say 24 hours equals to 1 day. And 1 year equals to 365 days.
Wow, so great. Number three.
And number three, the side of the Earth this place is facing the sun is lit up, so it's daytime. Take care for this side, but the side is facing away from the what?
From the
Sun
sun.
is in darkness, but it's nighttime.
Mhm.
For the side. Okay.
Okay.
Number five, the Earth's axis is very side tidal
Tilted.
tilted. I
Like
knew
it's
that.
not straight. It's not straight. The axis is not straight, but somehow slightly tilted like that. Slightly tilted. You can see it. This is the axis. Slightly tilted, right? It's not very straight. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Any questions so far?
No.
No. So, when the side of the earth facing the sun, we call it daytime because you can see the sun. But when the side facing away from the sun, so there will be no light because it's away from the sun. We call it nighttime. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now, here is the next one. The sun doesn't move. Can you read it?
The sun cannot move. It's us that move. Because the Earth is rotating, the sun appears to move across the sky as the day goes on.
Mm-hmm. What does it mean? What does it mean, Sherbel? As what I've told you before, it is the Earth that rotates the sun, right? It takes 365 days for the Earth to orbit the sun. So it means that the sun really doesn't move at all. It is us or it is the Earth that move. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, can you tell me about this sunrise and sunset?
Sunrise and sunset.
Mm-hmm. Shadows.
Shadows.
Yeah, your shadow. Shadows are.
Shadows are
Mm-hmm.
shadows are
Shadows are short at
Shadow
midday.
are
Why is it short?
shadows are short at midday, noon, because the sun is the highest in the sky.
Okay, very good. So if you don't know what time is it, Sherbel, if you don't know what time is it, and you see your shadow so short like this, it means it is already noon. It is already 12 o'clock. Okay?
Okay.
And shadows are long in the morning and in the evening because the sun is at its lowest in the sky because it's about to rise and it's about to set. So it's longer in the morning and in the evening. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay, good. Again, if you don't know what time is it, if you see your shadow like this, like it's very short, then you know it's already 12 o'clock now. But if your
What?
shadows are like long, depending on it's morning or evening, it's also, you can tell the time as well, right?
Ooh, and let me see. Let me see my shadow.
But you're not in the sun. You're not under the sun. Yes,
What?
no
Be
other
under the
what?
sun.
I mean, you're not outside, you're inside. How can you look at your shadow? You cannot depend on the shadow in your light. It doesn't work. Okay, remember, the sun is not moving. Got it? You got it, Sherbel? Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how about this? It's not your head that's spinning. It's the earth. Let's
It's
read it.
not your head that's spinning. It's the earth.
Mm-hmm.
I know that people talk about the sunrise and setting as where as if the sun goes round the earth, but it's not. So, um, it's the other way. There, it's the other way around. So it's that a lot of easier to understand all of this if you have a nifty demonstrate of it. If they haven't already, try getting your teacher to point a torch. Torch? My brother name. And for the sun at the globe for the earth and spin the globe to the day and day by day,
To
day and
show,
night.
to show
So
the day and night. Mm-hmm.
day and night. And entertainment indeed.
Okay. So, when
So
when this part, example, this part of the earth is facing the sun, so there is light, so we call it daytime. And here it's nighttime here because they cannot see the sun. Okay, is that clear? Yeah.
oh sure.
Okay.
That's clear.
Very easy to understand that if there's no light, it's nighttime. If there's light, it's daytime. Now we have summary questions for section 12. Let's go and let's answer. Are you ready?
Ready.
Question number 1, let's answer. What shape are
What shape are the sun, earth, and other planets?
Mhm.
What? It's circles,
Ooh.
silly.
Okay, not really circle. We do not call it circle because circle is just a plain circle with no sides. But Earth
Then
has side. It's like it's not a circle because a circle is just like that. So we call it a
Circle. Cycle.
Sphere.
What?
The Earth, Sun, and the other planets are
Called
all sphere.
fair.
Okay, I will spell it for you. We have SPHERE, sphere. And of course, it's not really a flawless, not a flawless sphere, but a roughly
They roughly
spherical
spherical
round, right?
round. Right.
Okay, number two.
Number two. Leo says the Earth is at the center of the solar system. Is Leo right or wrong? So explain your answer right now. That's impolite.
What's your
Uh,
answer for number two?
Leo says that Earth is at the center of a solar system.
Mm-hmm.
Is Leo right or wrong?
Mm-hmm.
So they say to explain your answer right now.
Mm-hmm.
What to my podcast? I think it's a yes.
Mm-hmm.
How about according to your podcast too, Mr. Jean?
How can I become a mister when I'm a girl, Cheryl? Silly.
What? I thought I missed a girl.
It's Miss. Okay, Miss
Yeah,
Cheryl.
that's what I
You don't
meant.
explain your answer. It says here you have to explain your answer.
I just said it. It's right.
Because
I already explained.
no.
Because the um Earth is the center of the solar system because
The Earth is.
the Earth the Earth the Earth is um, the Earth is a center.
I think you're making your answer wrong. You really choose to make your answer wrong. Why is it, Sherbal? You cannot even
Because
justify your answer. You just want to make yourself wrong. How come?
the Earth um because the Earth is I know the Earth is a center of a solar system because it's yeah smaller than a sun.
Oh, I see. Okay. So Leo says the Earth is at the center of the solar system. Is Leo
That,
wrong
that,
or right? Explain your answer. So the answer is right or wrong?
right?
Wrong.
So what do you think?
I think as
Wrong?
clearly as the sun, as clear as the sun, it is the sun, the center of solar system. Remember?
Real.
Yes. The sun is
Yes.
the center of the solar system and not the earth. Okay? Because remember the
Okay.
earth is just the third planet in the solar system. The third planet in the solar system. Remember?
Hmm. Yeah, I remember.
Very well. Now, again, number two.
Now, how about you explain your answer too?
I already explained my answer. How come you didn't listen? You already agreed to me.
Yes, I just kidding.
Okay, by the way, Sherbel, time is up. I hope I can see you again next time, okay?
Okay.
And keep safe. See you next time. Goodbye, Sherbelle.